I can't resist this delicious dessert. Pour condensed milk into a bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Sift flour into the same bowl. Sprinkle baking powder and mix the batter with a whisk. Pour a little batter into the hot pan. Fry the pancake for 4 minutes on both sides until it browns nicely. Put sour cream, powdered sugar, and whipped cream stabilizer into the bowl. Mix the cream until it becomes firm. Pour milk into the saucepan. Add vanilla sugar, cinnamon, dark chocolate. Boil the milk with chocolate. Fill the glass with milk. Spread a pancake with cream. Stack several pancakes spread with cream on top of each other. Spread the edges of the cake with cream. Smooth all sides with a spatula. Decorate the cake with grated dark chocolate and chill for 1 hour. This no-bake cake, made from pancakes and fine cream, will become any housewife's favorite.